5 supplements that harm your kidneys. Number 5 is the most dangerous, and you might be using it right now. Supplement number 1, protein powders. Protein supplements, such as whey protein and casein, are extremely popular among athletes here in the United States. We've made a few videos about them on our channel, but they deserve extra attention when used, especially if you are over 50 years old. While these supplements are safe in most cases and help people seeking faster muscle gain, it's crucial to use them with caution. They are convenient, easy to consume, and ensure that you are getting enough protein to repair and build muscle. However, excessive protein intake, especially in the form of powder supplements, can overload your kidneys. The kidneys play a crucial role in the body, responsible for filtering the blood and removing excess nitrogen, a byproduct of protein metabolism. When you consume too much protein, your kidneys have to work harder to process all that nitrogen, which can lead to kidney overload over time. This mistake is very common among people who want to rapidly increase muscle mass and end up consuming more protein than necessary, believing that it will lead to faster gains, which is a serious mistake. This kidney overload can increase the risk of developing kidney failure, especially in people who already have a predisposition to kidney problems or conditions such as diabetes and hypertension. In severe cases, excessive protein intake can even lead to the formation of kidney stones, which are extremely painful and can cause permanent kidney damage. The first step to avoid this is to stop consuming excessive protein. The second step is to use protein supplements appropriately, always under the guidance of a nutritionist, who can adjust your diet according to your goals and monitor the amount of protein you consume. The recommended daily protein intake varies based on factors such as age, sex, physical activity level, and health goals. A general rule is to avoid exceeding 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Additionally, make sure to drink plenty of water to help your kidneys filter out the byproducts of protein metabolism. Supplement number 2, high doses of vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, immune function, and even mood regulation. It helps the body absorb calcium, which is crucial for keeping bones strong and healthy as we age. However, vitamin D also plays an important role in regulating blood calcium levels, and this is where the problem can begin. When taken in very high doses, vitamin D can cause toxicity, a condition known as hypercalcemia, which is excess calcium in the blood. This excess calcium can deposit in the kidneys, leading to the formation of kidney stones, and, in severe cases, kidney failure. People who take vitamin D supplements without medical guidance or who overdo the dosage are at higher risk. This is particularly dangerous for individuals who already have kidney problems, as their kidneys may not be able to process the excess calcium effectively, which can further worsen the situation. To avoid the risks associated with excessive vitamin D, it is crucial to follow the dosage recommendations indicated on the supplement package and by your nutritionist. Most experts recommend a daily dose of 600 to 800 IU, international units, of vitamin D, but this need can vary based on factors such as age, sun exposure, and health conditions. Before starting any supplementation, it is advisable to have a blood test to check your vitamin D levels and consult a doctor for personalized guidance. Before we continue with the video, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos here on our channel. Health in Focus *. This way, we can create more videos like this for you. Also, leave your comment on the video. Thank you very much. Supplement number 3, herbal supplements. Herbal supplements have been used for centuries to treat various health conditions and are often considered natural and safe options. These products are becoming increasingly popular in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. If you live in one of these countries, comment if you have used these supplements. However, it is important to alert about the potential risks they may pose, especially to kidney health. Many people believe that because they are natural, herbal supplements are automatically safe. However, this is not always true, especially when it comes to kidney issues. Herbs such as St. John's wort, ephedra, and comfrey, which are widely used in these countries, can cause kidney damage when used in excess or for prolonged periods. These plants contain compounds that, when filtered by the kidneys, can cause inflammation, fibrosis, and, in severe cases, kidney failure. Therefore, it is crucial to always check the label of these supplements and seek guidance from a nutritionist or doctor before using them. The source of the supplements is equally important, especially if they are consumed as teas or added to the diet regularly. Another point that should not be ignored is the interaction of herbal supplements with prescription medications. For example, St. John's wort can interfere with the effectiveness of immunosuppressive drugs used by patients who have undergone kidney transplants, putting them at risk of organ rejection. If you are considering using herbal supplements, it is essential to conduct thorough research and, ideally, consult a qualified healthcare professional. While some herbs may be safe in small doses or for a short period, the risks increase significantly with prolonged use or high doses. Supplement number 4. Iron supplements. Iron is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Iron supplements are often prescribed to treat anemia, a condition where the body does not produce enough red blood cells. With the help of these supplements, the body can produce red blood cells correctly and healthily. However, caution is needed when supplementing with iron, especially in high doses, as this can seriously harm the kidneys. Excess iron intake can lead to a condition called hemochromatosis, where iron accumulates in organs such as the liver, heart, and kidneys. This accumulation can cause oxidative damage, inflammation, and eventually kidney failure. This is particularly serious for people with chronic kidney disease, whose kidneys are already compromised and may not be able to handle excess iron. To avoid such problems, it is essential to follow medical recommendations when supplementing with iron and never self-medicate. Typical iron doses range from 18 to 27 milligrams per day for most people, but this amount can vary based on individual needs. Additionally, it is important to have regular blood tests to monitor iron levels and adjust the dose as needed. Always consult a specialist to determine the appropriate dosage for your situation. Supplement number 5. Alpha lipoic acid. Alpha lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant that your body uses to combat cellular damage. Found naturally in all cells, ALA helps convert food into energy and neutralizes free radicals, those villains that cause damage and premature aging, as well as more serious harm. Additionally, it has been associated with a range of health benefits, from improving insulin sensitivity to significantly supporting nerve health, according to studies. This antioxidant is crucial in protecting your body. ALA is one of the most effective antioxidants, helping to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and keep you better protected against various diseases related to free radicals. Additionally, it can improve your control of type 2 diabetes. ALA, besides helping to improve insulin sensitivity, aids in controlling blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial if you are struggling to keep your glucose levels in check, a common problem for many Americans, as type 2 diabetes is the most common type in the United States and Canada. When taken through supplements, it also offers support for nerve health. ALA can be a good option for those suffering from diabetic neuropathy, helping to relieve symptoms such as pain and tingling, providing significant relief. Besides this benefit, ALA reduces chronic inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to decrease inflammation throughout the body, which can be useful for chronic inflammatory conditions. But you might be wondering, if it's so good, why should I be cautious with this supplement? Let me explain. Although ALA is generally safe, high doses can overload the kidneys as they are responsible for filtering the supplements that enter your body. If you have kidney issues or are concerned about your kidney health, it is essential to monitor kidney function and adjust the dose as needed because, in higher doses than necessary, your body might respond adversely, increasing the risk of serious problems. Additionally, it has side effects such as nausea, headaches, and rashes that can occur. Typically, these effects are mild and can be adjusted by lowering the dose, but it is important to pay attention to how your body feels. Another issue is the interaction it can have with other supplements, particularly those related to diabetes treatment, potentially causing hypoglycemia. Therefore, it is necessary to always inform your doctor about all the supplements and medications you are taking to avoid unwanted and harmful interactions with your health. Using this supplement in large volumes and without medical prescription can cause toxicity in your body. Although this is rare, it is important to follow all of your doctor's recommendations before use and only use the recommended doses, nothing more. If you want to use this supplement correctly without causing harm to your kidneys, I recommend consulting your doctor before starting ALA. Your doctor can guide you on the appropriate dosage and monitor any side effects in your body, as well as adjust your diet with the help of a nutritionist. After doing so, I recommend always keeping in mind the importance of starting with a moderate dose. The typical dose of ALA ranges from 300 to 600 milligrams per day. Start with a lower dose and increase as needed, always under medical guidance and monitoring the results. Another important thing you should always do is consistently monitor your kidney health. If you have kidney issues or are concerned, have regular tests to monitor kidney function and adjust the dose as needed. This simple precaution can further ensure your safety while taking this supplement and prevent damage. Lastly, and most importantly, as I always say here on the channel, it is crucial to maintain a balanced diet. While supplements can help, a healthy and balanced diet is essential for overall health, especially as you age. You should always remember the pillars I mention on the channel: mind, body, and diet. Keep your mind healthy and take care of your body through good nutrition. Before you leave, I'll leave a video for you to watch. Click on the video that's showing to continue our conversation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there. Oh, and leave a comment about which supplement you use and if you've experienced any side effects from its use.